Good evening, everyone. My name is Janae, and I will be presenting to you an introduction to regular expressions. The presentation what follows, I did include my article citation in the presentation. So if at your own time, if you would like to go ahead and review um, the article, which was pretty much a tutorial, you can do that at your own discretion. I have an overview to discuss with you, some key concepts and article insights that I did gain, and then we'll go into the conclusion and any additional questions you would like to engage with me in at the end of my presentation, which can be commented under the discussion post. Here is the link to the article. So what is regex? Regex, which is shorthand for regular expressions, help find patterns in text such as IP addresses, timestamps, domain names, or specific spellings and typos. It is used by system admins, developers, QA, and support engineers to extract or validate data from files. Regular expressions, two key points are made are made of literal characters and meta characters, which allow flexible and powerful pattern matching. So, as I stated, this is pretty much a tutorial that with the link I provided on how to create the string tabs, the string lines with the characters and meta characters. So the tutorial uses to demonstrate regex concepts without focusing on any specific programming language. The tutorial as I attached to the presentation is very, very basic. And I would really love for you all to go ahead and review to see how beginners this is if you would like to practice on your own. Some of the key concepts, as stated, meta characters are the biggest thing here when creating the um, string lines for the regex. They have the anchor characters, which matches the start or end of the line. As you can see, I included what you would typically see on the coding. There's the dot, it matches any one character. And then there's character sets. Now, this character set I included is just ing, it's just a simple example. It doesn't mean anything specific what I'm referring to at the moment, but I'm sure if there is anything with those characters, you can match them in your data set. After reading the article, my point of view of it, I can agree with that. Regex is a valuable time-saving tool for data and text handling. The article explains concepts well with hands-on examples. Again, this a very beginner stage tutorial demonstrates practical utility without needing a full programming setup. So I really encourage you, as stated before, to go ahead and review that so you can kind of get gain some confidence when working with regex. Some of the challenges, it can be intimidated at first due to complexity of text, and I did include some examples at the bottom, and the examples I included were the formats that I did learn for, there was a tutorial included for back references, which would need a clear breakdown. So as you can see on the previous slide, it wasn't as complex as this one with the slashes and parentheses and whatnot. So my main takeaway from this article is just to learn the basics. It's not rocket science. It didn't have to. It wasn't as complex, but it's simply the basics of as far as the one-on-one introduction. I did learn that I kept seeing EGREP at the beginning of each coding. So longhand, that's extended GREP, grep, global regular expression print. And also this tutorial showed how to use EGRP to apply regex patterns for real tasks such as matching county names, validating zip codes, detecting repeated words. So in conclusion, regex can be used for any role that works with text or logs, while there there's also a learning curve. There's many tools out there, guys, that's like online regex texters make it easier to master, like regex 101, regex buddy. Regex allows for fast, precise patterns matching across many file types and formats. My only ask of you, I have a couple questions at the bottom that will help you further engage with my presentation. If you would like to chat, go ahead and answer any of these questions below. Thank you.